Matt back again for this year we're gonna revamp this tiki bar. It's currently, what's the date today, the 9th of April. Yeah, got a bit of work to do. Gotta get the backside of this painted grey, get the fence done. The camera don't really do it. Get inside there, sorted out, get the roof off, try and get this palm thatch that I've had for, what have we had that for now? 2 years. Get that up, get some rope, get it all painted up all the way around, build a little staging area just over here to put the Persicaria up on, and one big tidy up. Got the roof off. Here we go again. Every time we undo it, get that wasp hive. Yeah, that's got to come out. I know what I'm working at now. Get it all nicely painted up. Get that bamboo off. Get the new rope. Get the new rope on there. I know what I've got to work at. 2 weeks later, more hard work than it is. Got the backside painted up. That took a good few coats in the fence. Got the bar nicely varnished up again. Managed to get the palm thatch up. Nightmare that was, but it's up. Tiki bar's finally taking shape. Signs are up. A bit different this year. Mickey Tiki sign down at the bottom, and the always happy hour at the top. Bamboo is on. That was a pain because that side's a different length to that side in the width, but it looks quite square really. The ropes are on, and if you haven't recognised in the last 30 seconds, I've redone the roof. I've done a little canopy. That's quite nice actually. Feel the difference when the sun is out like it is. Glorious weather at the moment, but it is taking shape. Right, next job, build this little fancy bit and then see where it goes. Get the rope on, get all that painted up, and one big tidy up. I've finally completed it. It's now Monday the 12th of May. Hopefully you've enjoyed it, this little video that I've done. I'll leave you to see what I've done. Don't forget to please like and subscribe. Thanks everyone for watching.